Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make shredded pork with eggplant. And these are the ingredients you need. 100 gram of shredded pork, a couple slices of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 pound of eggplant, sesame oil, cornstarch, salt, sugar, oil, pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and water. First, we're going to marinate the pork. 1/4 teaspoon salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch, and a pinch of black pepper. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of water so it will be easier to mix. And let it marinate for 15 minutes. I'm going to soak the eggplant with water, salt water, so the color will not change. Just like a tablespoon. Just let it be like that, and then cut the next one. Just put it in here until ready to cook. Okay, before I start cooking, I'm going to drain the water from the eggplant. See, salt water. Mix the color, no change. Cooking in medium heat. Add about tablespoons of oil. Add in the garlic and ginger. Cook until the aroma comes out. Aroma comes out from the ginger and garlic. Now I'm going to add in the pork. We're going to cook until the side is brown before I turn it. Okay, the pork is both sides golden brown now, so I am going to add in the eggplant. Put it on the side. Now my eggplant has sort of like looking golden brown. Half teaspoon sugar, about a teaspoon salt, tablespoon soy, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then we're going to add some water. Now we mix everything and cover for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. And it looks like this. All the meat is cooked. And the plant is cooked. So I'm going to put in it's a little watery. You can either put in a cornstarch to thicken it, or you can leave it the way it is. But I like the little thickness on mine. This is like a tablespoon of cornstarch, so just a little bit of water. A little bit at a time until the consistent that you like. Okay. good now. And also add in about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Turn off the heat, mix it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.